We're really pleased to be reopening the gallery with Yuko Shiraishi's exhibition called Space. So in the exhibition we have a number of works by Shiraishi, including Space Elevator Tea House, which is her conceptual piece. And it's a piece which brings together the idea of the Japanese tea house, a 17th century structure, a meditative stationary environment, and the idea of the space elevator. So the space elevator is an idea that you can go between Earth and space. So Yuko has brought those two ideas together.
Japanese tea house, basically 2-3 persons could sit, and the same things like space station or space elevator, like 2-3 people in a very intimate space. It's like microcosmic in a huge cosmos.
The exhibition focuses on the theme of space, something that's become significant in the last year when we've been thinking about UK lockdown, we've been thinking about how much space is between each one of us and our position on Earth. We have some painting works by Yuko, which she created during UK lockdown, which again think about the idea of voids with these really pinpointed, precise moments to cut through them. And again, she's asking us to think about layers and space, even within a 2D piece of work.
This particular recent painting, I wanted to paint actually quite light, like air. Because of the lockdown, I didn't want to paint anything heavy because life was so heavy. You want to jump to the sky.
The exhibition will be opening 20th of July to the 18th of September, and booking is online, and we can't wait to see you back in the gallery with us.